NDC phone kwani guasie dinatem did Akufo-Addo atem. Then comes in Sam.George, the minister who today wants to. What does he want to do?
Amendment to the parent bill, which was passed.
The minister who wants to censor speech in this country. That is what he wants to do. Sam.George. Okotena parliament during his vetting. Nane mama nene papa tinechi.
I was a former Munina Makwaba at Bagan and Sam TV show. One more so like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say next time. Videos of this nature about so submit to my cabin as watch their watching or comment section on their mail. Say the money down if Mr. President. Maybe whom from Mr. President I major also. Or text me Mr. President or comment section I major also. Who see I'm a TikTok and I pay Mr. President I major also sir. Kwede o baby agenda MPP. So the money in the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. They join the same TV channel also. They are the new patriotic party amenu kono. They are power 2028 inshallah. Dr. B0y president. Now also the upper by be aso selkebi. Na my kan yi you are John the money Muhammad the book at neze ebu die. Ya me ni amre am fa the Messiah Dr. B0y amade na sase bebe fiu. Now once again me catch again and mabunu nyina say amanyo sem ne yeye no. Eye da chinti ne yeye amanyo sem nya imprinting ya amanyo sem. De wo ye bia no wo ye no adwo say inti da chi bia no. Would you be proud of the decision I will make here in politics? You shouldn't forget, say, politics, no, your mouth to me, say, Fabity man for him, your mouth to me, say, Fabe, ye. It is all your software. Oh, yeah, ordinary Ghanaian. Oh, yeah, educationist. Oh, yeah, medical doctor. Oh, yeah, one, once I have an opportunity to serve public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, I be a home bachelor.
And this phone kwani guasie dinatem did Akufo-Addo atem. Then comes in Sam.George, the minister who today wants to. What does he want to do?
Amendment to the parent bill, which was passed.
The minister who wants to censor speech in this country. That is what he wants to do. Sam.George. Okotena parliament during his vetting. Nane mama nene papa tinechi. And ye ka and say Sam.George. Oka sebia oka ye no. Na emfa kwemu. Oka fa omampanyi ho. Oka fa omampanyi abedi akire ho. Oka ya asema Sam.George kan. Also one patch no no ne mama ne papa ntete ya omode man no o kan adwen. Okay. That is what Sam.George said. Today you Sam.George want to formulate a law.
Yes. Evidence and nobody will be aware. Only evidence and no press conference to go here. Mr. said, only the Kojo Fosuno, so on Nana. Kojo Fosuno, Aquaba radio.
Due respect.
Aquaba radio, what there? And no, yeah, press conference, we say, or say, I think I'm saying. Nipana Cochin, or never in peace. And not the police station. I'm not also me, sir. I don't know, dear Sasama, Kojo Fosuno, yes, I know. Yeah, man, quite. They couldn't buy him, but they say. So he didn't want your man, him and my traditional council, no him and count. Or him and count. Says there was a son of an album and an okay confusion. Me and Cassa, become Snazzy. Also, be seeing Mamma. What to be that? What to be that? What to be that? No, I do your son or the Cocota. Cotansono, or so could see him. I pray you want divisional chief, says so kind of this country. Oh, your wine. Oh, your man, who are you? Oh, you'll be a. What's on the water?
These were all the politics you did and benefited from. Today you say what? And the President Mahama, what who say, yeah. And near mana who benefited from the one who say, yeah. And I can say authoritatively, Sir President Mahama, you benefited. You knew you cannot play an ostrich, Your Excellency, respectfully. Don't pretend they say a near man na koso within that 8 years where one TB. And then all of a sudden you want to do what? You want to do what? Gag people in this country? Because now it hurts? Now you have blood in your veins? Obi timit na radio so NDC ni say Akufo-Addo plane quotation wo sorty. And so President Mahama want it. But the unfortunate comment will be fire yura Abranti announcing Nyamin fan the currency Omunya accident, airplane accident. Yes. President Mahama no so at the meet the press no or reference here say, I mean, how can anybody say that a plane, a helicopter has gotten into an accident? I mean, how can anybody say it is okay? Who can say President Mahama can say? I know the President Mahama te. But one to say NDC stations can say a Akufo-Addo plane and Koshi Honwomu. One to say the foreign minister. President Mahama to say the foreign minister can say Akufo-Addo plane and we am not engine back kukra say I okay on fan them we want it. President Mahama ante. So today President Mahama has blood in his veins. I like President Mahama so much. I have so much respect for him because for me I think generally he's a fine gentleman. But President Mahama sa ketasi mumuaso politics na woye no. Sa ye kika ye nim kire nyame sompa politics na woye no. Yehu inti nadie moja wo mu veins mu na hwe lo awodeba. You know, last time Sammy Jenfi betena ha and no be sometimes ye mu be a kasa munti o. Sammy Jenfi betena ha no kan say gold board at the police eba they are bringing powers to some officers at gold board and they will give them powers like police. Okay, why hana Sammy Jenfi be kan say
so omo launches
yes
task force.
Yes. Na Ghana police mutia muntie ni ye. Ghana police mutia muntie ni mutumi na ye chepu no awen kakran no. Sami Jenfi afa bi. Enti ne Sami Jenfi fa
the NPP I mean government. But we don't vote for them. So we can't blame them much. NDC we have entrusted our hope into them and they failed us over and over. Yeah. This is not a political talk, but it's the reality on the ground. So after this, the market women, the sea erosion, no ambulance in the district, no employment in the district, high utility tariffs like the ECG and the water bills, and so many. We can mention all. Everything has started. There is nothing working in Adam. We are tired. We are tired. Thank you.
Of the day, no, Pragiano, we have things inside, and yeah, Pragia, common Pragia, you. When you saw the Pragiano, didn't you see? Say there are some way equipment. A woman say you didn't panic to Mukrana, and your ordinary one say this is some ball you. My goodness. Why her picture no? Didn't you see the picture? And your ordinary one. Okay. Many who can say there are some hospitals from 8 years under Nana Addo. Equipment I had check BP craba could pet and was our hospitals no. And on a raising concern say health minister and his excellency John Dramani Mahama after equipment.
And you can sit here and say under your 8 years telescope cry yantimi anya day antomani so na minima dry yantimi antobi obia provided ambulance for each constituency. A come out when who constituency be or one and I'm already who be. You sit on a Doom FM and say for 8 years. Tell me that they will be a come
for ourselves. And when some of my party people say that when the table stand, they will do the same, they are not playing.
Yes, it's wrong.
They are not playing. It will be escalated because people are writing it. People are noting it. And I started talking about this in 2025. When I said that, I admit, whenever there is a change in government, there were a lot of things, some of these things happen. Can we agree to put a stop to it?
Yes.
And say that enough is enough? Let's begin to halt some of these things. When I said that, some of my NDC friends agreed with me. Some too felt like, hey, we've come to power, we should continue. You think that you go and arrest somebody for speaking, and when the table turns, that person has forgotten about you. They will come after you in multiple fold, and we'll be having the same conversation. I am saying what I am saying today because when the table turns, and somebody in my party is doing it to you, I can still speak because I'm speaking against it now, and I spoke against it then. Why are we doing this to ourselves, Alfred?
Okay.
That we say we have a law that says that nobody is above the law, including the judge. Well, we know in this country when judges took goats and money as bribes and skilled judgment. Have you gone to the magistrate court and the small court in the district before? I was an MC. There were occasions that I went to those courts. You weep when you see how citizens are being treated in those places where there are small lawyers, and some of them don't even have representation. So the reality is that indeed there can be judges that can be political. They are not above the law. If you are a judge and I have a case before you, and I think that you are singling me out and you are trying to use your position to come after me, there is a law that allows me to call you out and even petition and get you removed. So if for whatever reason you think that somebody has said that a certain judge is a political judge, it is not the police that comes to arrest the person and throws the person to jail. I am saying this because I'm saying this not because I support what the person has said. Hear me well. I am saying that whether you are the president, you are the chief justice, you are whatever it is, when somebody comes after your person or your integrity, the laws are there. It doesn't include police kidnapping me and putting me in jail. It says that I should take you on and let you prove how I became political. And if you fail to do that, the laws will punish you, which if it includes jailing, you are jailed. But the situation where we find ourselves today, that if the thing goes against people in government, then we weaponize it and call it hate speech and peddling falsehood. That is the danger that Miracles, I am worried about, and I think Eduji should also worry about. Now, Alfred, let's look at all the 17 issues. None of them are issues that Miracles will say with my mouth, or would even go into a meeting and tell my party person to say it. But the question is, since when did it become a crime? The things they've said. We're in this country, when Eduji and his party, including senior members of this government, were on the street, the communications officer of the NDC, Sam.George, saying exactly what this lady has said today. In fact, what this lady has said today that she said, Kuna nado mame, eradie kuna nado mame.
And we sang it against
mame, eradie kuna nado mame.
So why is it not a crime? Why?
There is a gentleman who sits, what's his name? There's a gentleman who sits on Y0u TV also. He said it in plain language that he is surprised that Nana Addo is not dead. And that God should kill him in a plane crash. So today, if you are showing me,
so how should all these be dealt with?
No. So I'm saying that if you are showing me, so if you are showing me these cases, and today you are in government, your conversation shouldn't be that they've done something. The law should. You are hypocrites, because when you are in opposition, similar cases, you spoke against it, and the president today wrote a letter to Akufo-Addo. All the cases are listed in the letter. I'll give it to you. I can give it to you to share.
No, you condemn all these statements. You say these statements, even if they were said by persons within the party, your party, you don't associate with them. How do we address it?
No. Because it's an issue. Let's agree. Let's agree that we have a difference between morality and crime.
Yes.
Absolutely.
I am a Methodist.
Civil wrong.
Okay, I have went to Sunday school, went through. I can disagree with you. I can debate with you. I'll never insult you. It doesn't mean that another person doesn't reserve the right to insult you. That is his business. For some other citizens, they want to insult you. What they do. The point is, if I insult you, is it a crime? If I say you, the judge, you are political, there's no crime. I'm not supposed to be in jail for even 30 minutes. I'm supposed to be sealed by you. Yes. You understand what I'm saying? If I say that the ghost should kill the president, I would never say that in my life. Never in my life would I say that. But if somebody says that the ghost should kill the president, it is not a crime.
Oh, I wish you are dead.
Or I wish that Eduji is dead. It is not a crime. If Eduji, even for whatever reason, feels slanted, it is not up to the Ghana police
chairman.
To go and bundle the person.
Former NCA board chairman.
Eduji.
Only a member of this government went to complain